In this video, we're featuring Proxio Connect for commercial listings, the power of your global MLS and referral network. All Miami members get Proxio Connect free with your Miami membership. Just log in to your Miami dashboard and locate the Proxio logo to get started. Once your Proxio account is set up, you're able to search properties worldwide by selecting Properties and then Find Properties. From here, you'll be able to select your property type, enter a city or location, and then select Search. All listings from your MLS will be transferred automatically into your Proxio account, meaning that anyone with a Proxio membership worldwide has access to your commercial listings inside of the Proxio network. You will also have an opportunity to create promotions of your listings and send to anyone inside of the Proxio network. Use Proxio to connect with other commercial agents worldwide using the Global Referral Network from Proxio. And remember, Miami members with your Platinum Plus subscription, you automatically get upgraded to the Premium Proxio, allowing you to showcase your listings worldwide within the network. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being a Miami member.